Hello, guys. Welcome back to SR Market Forecast. I am KK Choi. Today, I want to share with you how I trade a 2-minute chart of Hang Seng Index. Hang Seng Index in CMC Markets platform is called the Hong Kong 50 Cash. Today is the 21st of January. The market has been really bad for the last month. A whole month, the market's dropping like crazy. Uh, on yesterday, Hunter Index actually dropped to the lowest level. Okay, it was 18,620. And then this morning, when Hunter Index opens, it bounces up strongly back up and hits the resistance level of the day chart, which is 19,255. And then from there, the index retreated back down again and all the way back down, break the month support, and then drop to the day support, which is 18,546. Okay, so at this point, there's a struggle. It's forming a support zone. If this zone breaks, the index should tumbling down further. 18,051. This month support here. So I'm trying to capture it in 2-minute trading. So this is what I usually do. I go to 50-minute charts. Oops, oh, sorry. Before that, I usually set up my charts in the month and in the weeks and also in days to set up the support and resistance levels. The support and resistance levels are found by observing where the turning point is. For example, in 15-minute charts, the turning point is here. So the trade came down and then comes back up and then retreat again. So those are the turning points, which is the end of the wick. Okay, at the moment I'm using yellow lines indicated for 15 minutes. So when I go into a 2-minute charts, and when those line comes up, I know exactly which periods are they from. Okay, so the longer the period, the stronger the support or resistance. Okay, here's another one. Sometimes you'll see the 15-minute and the month lines are very close together, or the week lines are very close together. That means this area is an area of alert. More lines occur, it becomes a zone. For example, here is a 15-minute chart, and there's a month, and here's the day, it forms a zone. Okay, once I done all this, once I structure the draw the charts with all these support resistance, then I could able to go into the 2-minute chart to trade whenever there's an opportunity comes, based on the simple moving average, the simple moving average here, and the support and resistance that's located in the chart. So previously, as you can see, the index retreated, touched the first time touching the support, it pushed the index back up, hit the resistance, return back down, breaks this zone, break these levels, continue to drop to the second level of the bottom of the zone, and then push it back up again, touch the resistance, return back down, and it's like this. It's like a wave. It's moving like a wave. Then it climbs up, hits the simple moving average. The pressure is strong as the index been retreating for a long time. based on the simple moving average and go all the way back to almost like 2 weeks ago. So it is the downtrend is strong. So he touches this and retreated. Again, touch it and retreat. Try to climb above it, but nevertheless got weakened and then retreated back down. At the moment, it's supported by the last support levels of the zone, okay, which is based on the day zone, which is from last night. So the struggle is strong. It's already once, twice, three times. Three times is already touching this level. At the moment, this level is trying to push the index back up again once more. But this time, if you notice, the simple moving average already entered into the zone. So the signal is not a good signal. Signals actually is pretty negative. So anytime now the zone could break. Once the zone breaks, there will be further drop. But I'm gonna wait for the index of the candles to indicate the clear signals for me to enter into trade. Trading is like fishing. It takes a long time and also takes a lot of patience. After a long while waiting, finally the indexes return up and almost untouching the simple moving average. And now it's actually climbing above it now. So I'm gonna wait for these candles or maybe even the next candle to end to see how the index is moving or how the direction is going. Has this is this simple moving average has the power to push back down? Then we need to wait for the candles to return back down below this simple moving average, or this simple moving average actually has turned and become a support. If that's the case, then I will wait for the candle to finish and ends up is there a positive candles that closes above the simple moving average. So I'm gonna wait for this to come before I enter into a trade. Definitely, it looks like the upper side are stronger now than the downside because actually it's touching the bottom and it's already reached the bottom. Therefore, this is definitely a nice strong candle that overflows the rest of those candles. It's a signal of very strong, powerful uptrend begins. Not an uptrend, but I mean a rebound begins. So we'll take a return back down. Nope, it's not going to come back down. The power of going up is stronger. So I'm going to enter into a trade now for a long trade. That's looking nice. There's going to be a reverse here. So this is the area where I'm going to take the profits. So my profit take area will be here. But I will wait for the candle to finish. If the candle is an uptrend candles. But if the candle is a reverse candle, then I will stop. Okay, as it's crossing above it, I'm gonna leave the trade. Let the trade continue to run. The next indication now is here. want to take the profits. The reason I want to take the profit is actually 8:14. That means the market could close in 8:15. So I would rather take the profits than to guess what will happen when the market reopens at 9 o'clock. So there you go. Here's one trade that I have done using the simple moving average as a guideline and using the candles as the instruction of entries. That's it. The market closed. As you can see, the market's closed and it missed the my expected profit take area. But nevertheless, I took the profits here, which is good enough for me. All right, thank you for watching, and hope we'll continue to share more of this kind of trading with you guys. So please tune in. If you have questions, you can email me or contact me directly with in my Facebook. Thank you so much for watching.